Students, how are you? I hope you are watching my videos related to HTML and you all are doing the practical work of HTML and you have done the programs which I have taught you in my videos, that how you can make the HTML programs. Now we will move further in our HTML. There are some topics which are given in your chapter 10, that is inserting image. These are the topics that are under this chapter 10, that are the images and the frames in HTML5. But we are doing some topics and I am cutting down some topics. We have done this inserting images, we have done this topic, and image tag we have done, how we can link the web page, this is done. The anchor tag, how we can use the anchor tag, which I have taught you in my last week videos. Up to here we have done. We are not doing this and this and this and this. These 4 topics I am cutting down here, and now we are doing the frames and the borders and the iframes. In my today video, you will see that how we can create the frames in HTML. Yeah, how we can insert the various files through the frames in the web pages, and how we can apply the borders and the iframe to this. So these are the topics. Please note down. Sometimes student never see this, and they again and again ask from me, ma'am, these topics are left. These are cutting down, and I am cutting these 4 topics, and we are doing these topics in images, links, and the frames in HTML5. Let's come with me with the next topic, that is how we can insert a frame. Firstly, I will tell you that what is the frame and how we can insert the frame, and after that I will show the practical of programs, that how you can insert the frame. And there are the 5. With this we have done some basic program. Firstly we have done, and then we have done the how to insert the image, then how to link the web pages, and how we can use the anchor tag, and now I am doing the frames and how we can apply the borders. These are the 5 programs, that 5-6 programs that you have to write down in your notebook also. तो जो प्रोग्राम्स आपने प्रैक्टिकल सेशन में किए हैं, ये प्रोग्राम्स आपने नोटबुक में भी करने हैं और साथ में उसके आउटपुट भी लिखने हैं. So I am also sending the PDF links of these programs which we have done in the which we have done in our videos also. So please come with me for the next topics, frames and borders and the iframes. Now let's see what is frame. What is the frame? For example, you have made a web page through a HTML program. This is your web page. But if you want to insert 2 or more web pages in a single web page, in a one page you want to insert more web pages, then you will use the frames. हम हर वेब पेज को जो हम इसमें इंसर्ट करना चाहते हैं उसको एक फ्रेम एरिया दे देंगे, फ्रेम दे देंगे, और उस फ्रेम के अंदर उस एरिया में जाके वो वेब पेज यहाँ पर इंसर्ट हो जाएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज योर वेब पेज एंड आई एम इंसर्टिंग 2 फाइल्स विच आई हैव मेड. हमने S2 और S3 फाइल्स बनाई थी. सपोज मैं S2 और S3 फाइल्स यहाँ इंसर्ट करना चाहती हूँ इस वेब पेज के अंदर. तो मैंने फर्स्ट वेब पेज को जो S2 और S3 फाइल्स इंसर्ट करना है, दिस इज S2 एंड दिस इज S3. लेकिन ये कहाँ इंसर्ट होगी, मुझे उसको एक फ्रेम देना पड़ेगा. ऐसे ही S3 को भी एक फ्रेम देना पड़ेगा, और उसकी हाइट एंड विड्थ वी हैव टू मेंशन. When we will mention their height and width, then that files will be inserted in that area. Suppose I am using the S2 file which I am inserting in this web page, so I will have to insert the S2 through the frame tag, and that frame tag is iframe. And similarly I am using the source here. जैसे image tag में image कहाँ से उठा रहे हैं हम उसमें उसका source mention करते हैं. Similarly we have to mention the source here for the frame tag. I am using the frame for S2, then I use the iframe tag. For framing we will use the iframe tag, and then again we will use the source, src source, from where I am using the file that will be inserted in this frame. That file is S1. S2 लिखा है, I am writing S2.html. I am inserting जो मैंने पहले बनाई हुई है already, that file I am inserting here. So I have given the path of this. If that is saved in D drive, any drive, then you can completely write down the path of that file. Otherwise you have to just write down the name of that file. As if this is on your desktop, then you need not to give the complete path. You have to just write down the name of that file. s2.html I have written here, and then I have closed the iframe tag. When you will use this line in your HTML program, and after that here I can write down here height and width attribute. Suppose I am giving height is equal to 200 and width is equal to 200, then इसकी height and width उसके accordingly set हो जाएगी और उस वेब पेज के अंदर 200 height and 200 width में वो वाली फाइल इंसर्ट हो जाएगी. Similarly S3 इंसर्ट करनी है, then iframe source s3.html height is equal to 200, width is equal to 200, and then iframe close. और अगर मुझे इस फ्रेम को कोई बॉर्डर देना है, then I will use this style here. s2.html के बाद में I will use this style. Style में I am using the border width, which I am giving the border. Style में border width क्या दिया, 5 pixels. कितनी थिक आपको इसकी border show करना है, that is the border width. And border color, which color you want to show in its border, that is the border color. I am showing the green color. So its border color and border width will be shown through this. This is your frame tag. Now we will do the practical session of this frame tag, how we can make the program in HTML by using this frame tags, and how we can run this program. So this is two programs I will tell you, and one is simple how we can insert this, and secondly I will tell you that how we can apply the border width and border color here. So there are 5 to 6 programs. I will send you these programs also, and you have to write down these programs in your notebook. And please do the practical of this, otherwise you will not be able to make the program in HTML. After next month there will be your exams also, and you will have to give the practical of HTML also. Please do the practical of this HTML programs. Let's come with me for the practical session of this.
Yes students, let's do the practical in HTML for making the frames. As I told you about the frames, that how we can make the frames in HTML web pages with the help of the HTML. When we are using the frames, when we are making the frames, then we have to use the tag for making a frames, that is the iframe tag, which I have used here, iframe tag. This is iframe tag. And as we are using the source in the image tag, similarly we will use the source for the frames here. src means source, कि हम जो frames बना रहे हैं उसका source क्या ले रहे हैं, वो frame कौन सा है. जैसे कि मैंने 2 files, I have already made 2 files, S3 and S4, which you have seen in my last week videos, and here I am using that source. कि I am making a web page in which I am inserting 2 files, S3 and S4, and I am making 2 frames. S3 will be inserted in the frame 1 and S4 will be inserted in the frame 2. तो I am using the iframe tag in this frame बन रहा है. उस frame का source कहाँ से आ रहा है, s3.html इसका source है. भाई इस frame के अंदर कौन सी file display होगी, that will be the s3.html. और उस file का ये जो iframe बन रहा है उसकी height and width I have mentioned कि 200 height है and 200 width है. Similarly here I am using the iframe source s4.html. सेकेंड फ्रेम मैंने बनाया है जिसकी हाइट भी 200 एंड विड्थ भी 200 है. तो दिस इज द प्रोग्राम विच यू हैव टू मेक इन HTML विद द iframe फॉर मेकिंग द फ्रेम्स. Similarly I am using the HTML tag here. Next, head tag. In head tag we are using the title name is the hyperlink of this file, and then we are using the body tag. In body tag I have using the H3. heading के लिए I am using the H3. You can use H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. As you will use the H1 to H6, the display of this line will be like this. H1 will be more bold and more that will be the more bold. H2 will be light bold. H3 will be more light light bold, like this. You can see the changes by using the different type of the tags h1 to h6. Next I am using the frame, iframe I have using, that is the source is h3.html file, and iframe second में I am using the s4.html file, and in both I have settled down their height and width for this file, and second I have also settled down their height and width for the s4 files. And iframe when we are starting, then source, then name of the file, then height, and then width, and after that we are ending the frames. When we are starting the frames, then we are ending the frames. After that we have add the body section and then HTML tag. This is all about this frame program. Don't be confused. You जो program I am sending, which programs I am sending you, या I am showing you in my files, only just make these programs like this. Don't be confused कि book में थोड़ा अलग है, मैम ने अलग बताया, आप यही program बनाओगे, and these programs you have to write down in your notebook also. तो आपके I think 5 programs I have told you, and these 5 programs you have to write down in notebook also. These 5 programs and their output also. This. And now I am saving this program file, then save. I have already saved it with the HTML tag s5.html, and save as type में all files हमने use की. Now I am closing this. Desktop पे देखिए, this is the s5. I am double clicking on this, and you can see the output here. s3 के अंदर मैंने यूज़ किया था, ये लाइन यूज़ की थी h3 के अंदर हेडिंग 3 मैंने ये यूज़ की थी. दिस इज़ द मेन डॉक्यूमेंट कंटेनिंग बिलो गिवन इनलाइन फ्रेम्स. उसके बाद मैंने 2 फाइल्स के नेम दिए थे. ये देखो, ये एक फ्रेम बन गया. इसकी हाइट एंड विड्थ क्या है, 200 इसकी हाइट है एंड 200 विड्थ है. उसके साथ ही दूसरी फाइल मैंने यूज़ की थी s4.html. इसकी भी हाइट 200 है एंड विड्थ भी क्या है, इसकी 200 है. बट ये वाली फाइल बहुत बड़ी थी, लेकिन फ्रेम्स मैंने सिर्फ इतना ही दिया था, 200 एंड हाइट एंड विड्थ 200. तो इसने यहाँ पे स्क्रॉल बार शो कर दिया. इस फाइल में फ्रेम इसने इतना ही लिया है, इसके अंदर ये देखो ये स्क्रॉल बार. दिस इज़ माय कंप्लीट फाइल. जैसे कि एक ही पेज पर हम कई सारी HTML के बहुत सारे वेब पेजेस को एक ही पेज पर शो करना चाहते हैं, देन वी हैव टू मेक द फ्रेम्स. तो in this by using this frames method we can insert many web pages into a one web page. This is the use of the frames. I think this is clear to you. Next, a small point is also there, that how we can apply the border to these frames also. When you want to apply the border, then you have to use the one thing in your program also. I am closing this and I am using the S6. आप यहाँ से नोटपैड डायरेक्ट भी ओपन कर सकते हो. जैसे S6 राइट क्लिक, ओपन विद में हेयर आई एम गोइंग टू नोटपैड, क्लिक ऑन दिस. अब मैंने ये प्रोग्राम सेम एज इट इज़, दिस प्रोग्राम इज सेम एज इट इज़ द S5 प्रोग्राम. Similarly h3 line, then iframe source s3.html, height and width, iframe tag closed. Similarly iframe source s4.html, height and width, and then I am using one option, that is the style, कि मैं इसको iframe को स्टाइल क्या देना है. Here I am using style is equal to, you can see पिक्सल्स के अंदर हम बॉर्डर दे सकते हैं, बॉर्डर की विड्थ दे सकते हैं. आई हैव गिवन द बॉर्डर विड्थ 5 पिक्सल्स. स्टाइल equal to inverted comma start, then border width is equal to 5 pixels. The border width will be 5 pixels. You can use 6, 7, 8, 9 with whatever you want to use. Next is the border style. Border style क्या होगा, solid, simple एक thick line होगी जो आप show कर सकते हो, that is border style solid. Next is the border color. Border color I am using the green color. I have used the border color, that is the green color border I have used. And then I have closed the iframe close. So these style I am using for giving the border width, border style and border color. I have used three parameters here: border width 5 pixels, border style solid and border color green. I think this is clear to you. And this I have saved with the name s6.html file. I am again file and saving this file. Is it clear? मैंने फ्रेम्स के 2 प्रोग्राम आपको बताया. फर्स्ट प्रोग्राम, दिस इज हाउ यू कैन इंसर्ट अ फ्रेम, एंड सेकेंड दिस प्रोग्राम हाउ यू कैन अप्लाई अ बॉर्डर टू द frames. Now I am running this program as 6. We have saved this program and I am closing this, and now as you can see this as 6 here, and now I am double clicking on this and you can see the web page. Similarly the S5, but there will be the border will be shown here. सेम प्रोग्राम जो मैंने पहले रन किया था. दिस इज़ द मेन डॉक्यूमेंट कंटेनिंग बिलो गिवन इनलाइन फ्रेम्स. यहाँ पे S3 फाइल शो ऑफ होगी और यहाँ पर कौन सी फाइल हो गई, S4. बट S4 फ्रेम्स का यहाँ पे बॉर्डर आ गया. ये बॉर्डर की जो विड्थ है ये 5 पिक्सल्स है. ये सॉलिड है, एक मोटी लाइन है. दिस इज़ अ थिक लाइन एंड दिस कलर इज़ ग्रीन. तो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट द फ्रेम्स. आई थिंक दिस इज़ क्लियर. And now you have to make these 2 programs about the frames. Now we have done the 5 programs. I am one by one I am showing this in my videos. S1, opening the S1 program, Notepad. This one, this was the simple program, some basic program with the tags HTML, head, title, then head, body, then paragraph tag, and then comment tag and the body. This is the simple basic program that you have to write down in the notebook. S2. Next was in which we are using the image tag, image source, ddrive, जो भी मैंने आपको बताया था कि आप कैसे image insert कर सकते हो. This was your second program that also you have to write down in your notebook. S3. This was image source we have used, and alt tag we have used here. ALT, alt, कि अगर image नहीं मिलती, image process नहीं होती, उसकी जगह पे what will be the alternative, what point it will show. If the image is not finding, या if this is the not a correct path of inserting a image, this is not a correct source of the image, then it will show the alternate tag, that is the image not found. Third program, this third program you have to write down in your notebook. Fourth, was about the hyper reference anchor tag. I have told you कि how we can create a link, a hyper reference S3, and click here. This tag you are using. This was the fourth program about the anchor tag. Fifth I have told you today. This today with the frame tags we have to make this, how to insert the frame आपने. And the sixth and the last, this frame tag with the frame style, that is the border, how we can apply the border to the program. I am sending a list, I am sending the list to you also, and these program also, and you have to write down these programs in your notebooks, in your notebook also. Write down the program plus their output. You have to write this program plus this output also in your notebook. This is all about your programs, and please complete your notebook with this. And don't be confused, book में बहुत सारे programs है, बाकी आपने कुछ नहीं करने. You have to write down only these 6 programs, and please do the practice of these 6 program also in your notebook. Till then, अगर फिर भी still if you are having and facing any query, you can contact me anytime. And till then, thank you and have a nice day.